Hello learners, it's me, Sir Jack. I'm back again to help you in this another journey of learning in Mathematics 5, Quarter 2. So come on, what are you waiting for? Let's learn another lesson in math. Don't forget to share our blessings to everyone. Our topic for the day in Mathematics 5, Quarter 2, Module 5. Solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication with or without addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. After going through this module, you are expected to identify the steps in solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers. Solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers using appropriate problem-solving strategies or tools. Value the importance of routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of decimals and whole numbers in saving for the future. But first, let us check your skills from past lessons. Number 1. Let us find the product of these decimals. 8 and 23 hundredths times 2 is equal to blank. The answer for number 1 is 16 and 46 hundredths. Number 2. Estimate the product by rounding to the nearest whole number. 80 and 23 hundredths times 4 and 56 hundredths is equal to what number? The answer to number 2 is 80 times 5 equals 400. Number 3. Rita had 12 days to read a book. She needs to read 26 pages each day. How many pages does the book have? The answer for number 3 is 312 pages. 26 times 12 equals to 312. Number 4. A bag of chips sells at 20 pesos and 50 centavos. How much will 4 bags of it cost? A. 20 pesos and 50 centavos. B. 40 pesos and 50 centavos. C. 82 pesos. Or D. 90 pesos and 50 centavos. The correct answer is C. 82 pesos. Number 5. In this equation, 7 plus 2 times 6 divided by the quantity or open parenthesis 10 minus 3/4 close parenthesis. Which operation is done first? A. Addition. B. Division. C. Multiplication. Or D. Subtraction. The answer is letter D, subtraction. Good job! Now we can continue with our new lesson. Our lesson is all about solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication. In this lesson, you will execute steps in solving problem. To solve a problem, let us first understand the problem. Then, plan on how to solve the problem. Next, solve it, knowing the operations or methods to use and answer completely. Finally, check, look back, or review for possible mistakes. Let us try this problem. A bakery sells cake for 350 pesos. The labor cost is 52 pesos and 50 centavos per cake. Flour cost is 71 pesos and 85 centavos. Other costs add up to 92 pesos and 20 centavos. What is the bakery's profit on each cake? The steps in solving routine and non-routine problems are: Step 1 is to understand the problem. First, you have to know what is asked. And second, you have to know what are the given. After reading the problem 3 times or more, you might be able to find what the problem is asking for. In the problem, it is looking for the bakery's profit on each cake. The given or given facts of the problem are numbers and their information that may provide vital or important details and clues in solving the problem. In the problem, the given are 350 pesos, the selling price on each cake, 52 pesos and 50 centavos, the labor cost on each cake, 71 pesos and 85 centavos, the flour cost on each cake, and 92 pesos and 20 centavos, other costs on each cake. Now we are on the second step. The second step is to plan on how to solve the problem. This is the most important step in problem solving. This step includes analyzing the problem, guided to answering our first question, that is, what operation or operations are to be used. From the first step, you have to analyze the question asked, number information, clues, and with your mathematical abilities, devise a plan of solving the problem. You may use other strategies like act out the problem, listing, table method, guess and test, making a diagram, patterns, and working backwards, and many other methods to make a good plan. Once a plan is formulated, arrange your given, clues, and operations to make your numbers sentence, and that is the second guide. So we go back to the problem. We need to find the profit. A profit is a number garnered from subtracting sales and costs. Also, you need to add all the costs involved. Henceforth, our operations would be subtraction and addition. Arranging the given will result to our number sentence, which is 350 pesos, our selling price on each cake, minus the total of the cost of 52 pesos and 50 centavos, 71 pesos and 85 centavos, and 92 pesos and 20 centavos, which are all costs for making a cake. This will be all equal to n, the number that we are looking for, which would be the bakery's profit on each cake. Now let's solve and answer. This is the third step. Based on our number sentence form in step 2 and using PEMDAS rule, the first operation that we should work is to add the cost addends, which can be found inside the parentheses of the number sentence. Using a vertical column arrangement in adding decimals, where digits should be arranged in columns of same place values, as shown will be our solution diagram. Adding the digits carefully from rightmost to the leftmost columns or place values, this will be the end result of our sum. Our sum will be 216 and 55 hundredths, or 216 pesos and 55 centavos. Simplifying, our number sentence would be now 350 pesos minus 216 pesos and 55 centavos equals to n. Finally, subtracting these two numbers would result to the difference of equal to 133 pesos and 45 centavos. So our n is equal to 133 pesos and 45 centavos. This is the amount of profit that the bakery will get on each cake. Our fourth and last step, we should check and look back. We should review our solutions if there are possible errors that we have committed during our solving. We can do backward solution to verify the accurateness of our answers. So, we've finished the 4 steps in solving routine problems. It is really easy to learn, kids. Just bear and enjoy learning. Let's have another example to test your skills. Get a sheet of paper and a pen. You are going to write only your answers. You will be given time. Are you ready? How much will 15 kilograms of ground beef cost if 1 kilogram of it costs 180 pesos and 95 centavos? Answer the following. A. What is asked? B. What are given? C. What operations are to be used? D. What is the number sentence? E. Solve and give the answer. F. Review and check your answer. You may give the answers only. Good luck! Time is up. Here are the answers. For letter A, the answer is the cost of 15 kilogram beef at 100 pesos and 95 centavos per kilo. Letter B, the given are 15 kilogram ground beef and 180 pesos and 95 centavos a kilo. Letter C, the operation to be used is multiplication. Letter D, the number sentence. 180 pesos and 95 centavos times 15 equals N. Letter E, the cost of the 15 kilogram beef is 2,714 pesos and 25 centavos. For letter F, you divide 2,714 pesos and 25 centavos to 15, then you go back the original number of 180 pesos and 95 centavos. Well, you made it, and congratulations! What have I learned? Arrange the following in the correct order using numbers 1 to 4 on the space beside each given step in solving problems. Planning the solution, solving and answering, reviewing and checking, understanding the problem. Number it from 1 to 4 according to correct order. Here are the answers. For planning the solution, number 2. For solving and answering, number 3. For reviewing and checking, number 4. And for understanding the problem, number 1. That's all, kids. Very good. Good work. Answer the following activities in your module. Number 1. What's more? A and B on pages 14 and 15. Number 2. What I can do? A and B on page 16. Number 3. Assessment. A and B from pages 17 up to 18. Number 4. Additional activities A and B on pages 19 and 20. That's all, kids. Goodbye.